Hello and welcome to Gaming Room. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can access the support on the game Match Masters. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Match Masters on your device and click on the three lines on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you can find support right below Join Us. Go ahead and tap on support and you can see three things over here. First one is the Matchopedia, where you can access the help center. Go ahead and click on any of these articles and you will be headed to the sub-articles which will teach you how you can play the game. So if you go back, you can see the contact support. Go ahead and tap on it. You can select the topic which you want to complain about, select the subtopic, and you can see the subtopics. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you can directly contact to the customer support. Click on the send icon after you send a message, and you can see my tickets by clicking on my tickets over here and see all of your conversations. So this is how easy it is to access the customer support on Match Masters. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.